On knitpicks.com, you can find everything you need for your next knitting project. We know that shopping online for yarn can be challenging when it comes to choosing the right colors for your multicolored projects. Thankfully, KnitPicks has an easy way to help you review the colors for your project. Once you know the yarn line you want to use in your next project, begin by clicking some colors that you think might work for your palette. Each color will open in a new small window on the page. Once you've selected a few, you can drag the colors next to each other to see how they might look together. Want a different order? Simply drag the windows in another order on the page. If you decide not to use a color, simply X out of that color at the top right of that window. You can also click the arrows in the window to see a close swatch or a full ball. Mix and match until you found what you're looking for. Once you've decided, either add a single ball by selecting Add to Cart on the window, or find the color on the page and enter the number of skeins you want if you're looking for more than a single skein. Want to save your color choice for later? Take a screen grab or use the snip tool on your Windows computer to capture your chosen colors in the order you've made and save it for later. Make sure to keep the color names or numbers at the top visible so you can quickly reference them later. Happy shopping! Happy knitting!